When it comes to natural remedies, castor oil and baking soda are the ultimate power couple. Separately, they've been hailed for their health benefits, but together they form a dynamic duo that can tackle a surprising number of health issues in just 48 hours. From minor aches to chronic skin conditions, this simple combination might just be the natural cure all you didn't know you needed. So why these two ingredients? Castor oil is a time-tested remedy rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and healing properties. It's been used for centuries to alleviate pain, improve circulation, and nourish the skin. Meanwhile, baking soda is an alkaline powerhouse that balances pH levels, soothes irritation, and works as a gentle exfoliant. When these two come together, it's like giving your body a high five in healing. Here are some of the standout health issues this combination addresses: joint and muscle pain. Apply a mix of castor oil and baking soda as a compress on sore areas. Its anti-inflammatory properties work wonders to ease pain and improve mobility. Skin infections. Thanks to castor oil's antimicrobial qualities, this blend can help heal minor cuts, scrapes, or infected skin. Baking soda adds its soothing touch, reducing redness and irritation. Digestive troubles. When used as a belly compress, castor oil helps with bloating and constipation by promoting better digestion. Baking soda balances the skin's surface, enhancing the remedy's soothing effect. Detoxifying the liver. A warm castor oil compress over the liver area can stimulate detoxification and improve overall well-being. Acne and blackheads. Gently massaging this mixture onto your face unclogs pores, fights bacteria, and reduces inflammation, leaving your skin fresh and clear. Scars and stretch marks. Regular application of this mix can fade scars and stretch marks over time, as castor oil deeply hydrates and repairs damaged skin tissue. Arthritis relief. Warm a blend of castor oil and baking soda, then apply it to aching joints for quick relief. Its anti-inflammatory benefits are particularly effective here. Warts and skin tags. Persistent application of this remedy can help soften and reduce these skin annoyances, thanks to castor oil's deep penetration and baking soda's exfoliating properties. Hair and scalp health. This combo can be used as a scalp treatment to soothe irritation, promote hair growth, and reduce dandruff. Massage it in, let it sit, and rinse thoroughly. Bug bites and sting. The mix calms itchiness and inflammation from bug bites almost instantly. To create this magical elixir, simply mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda into a paste. Depending on the application, you can adjust the ratio slightly for compresses, use more castor oil for scrubs, add more baking soda. Apply it to the affected area, cover it with a cloth, and let it work its magic for 30 minutes to an hour. While this remedy is effective, it's important to remember it's not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your doctor for serious or persistent health issues. If this blew your mind, hit the like button and explore more of our videos for natural health tips you can trust. Your body will thank you.